Hey, Jack.
Shit. What's up?
Can you give us a Festo Manifold rundown?
Yeah, let's run over the machine. All right, so we're going to do a rundown of what our Festo manifold is made up of, starting with our Ethernet, which is how the manifold communicates with the rest of the machine. We have our pressure transducers, responsible for reading our pressures in the fill heads, and we also have an air and CO2 inlet pressure sensor. We have an oil separator right here. We have an exhaust for our air lines, and then we have a series of valve cards here. They have different letters on them, which represents a different function for that valve. So some of them are always open. Some can open and close and stay in neutral. Coming down here, we have some blank spaces that we might add a pre-purge or a CO2 tunnel for the action of those. We have a CO2 exhaust right here. We have a couple CO2 valves, and then we have our 4 VPPMs responsible for pressure to the pump, our CO2 to the tank, our fill throttle, and our sniff throttle.